What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What's your surname?
My surname is Lee.
How do you spell your name?
A-N-N-A.
What's your first language?
My first language is Spanish.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Maria.
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Is your friend kind?
Yes, she is very kind.
Do you see your friends every day?
No, only on weekends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Tom.
Is your family big?
No, it's small.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like math?
A little, but it's hard.
Who is your best teacher?
My English teacher.
Do you work?
No, I'm a student.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What time do you go to school?
At 8 o'clock.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, every day.
Is your school big?
Yes, it's very big.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English every day.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and study.
What time do you go to bed?
At 10 p.m.
Do you cook?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I love books.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV after dinner.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, every day.
Do you take the bus to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, orange juice.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What snack do you like?
I like biscuits.
Do you cook rice?
Yes, often.
What food don't you like?
I don't like fish.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat carrots and tomatoes.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
What season is it?
It's summer.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Is it cold in winter?
Yes, very cold.
Do you like snow?
Yes, it's beautiful.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring.
Is the sun shining?
Yes, it is.
Do you like windy days?
Not really.
Is it cloudy today?
Yes, a little.
Do you like warm weather?
Yes, it feels nice.
What do you do for fun?
I play football.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Can you dance?
Yes, a little.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch cartoons.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I like drawing.
What sports do you like?
I like basketball.
Do you sing?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like reading stories?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming.
Do you play chess?
No, I don't.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, very much.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you have a hat?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, especially sneakers.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you buy clothes online?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like red dresses?
Yes, they are nice.
Is your shirt new?
Yes, it is.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you live in a city?
Yes, I do.
What's your address?
10 Rose Street.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Do you travel by car?
Sometimes, yes.
Have you been to the zoo?
Yes, many times.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Is there a shop near your house?
Yes, a small shop.
Do you want to visit another country?
Yes, I want to visit Japan.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Are you sad?
No, I'm happy.
Are you sick?
No, I feel good.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you excited today?
Yes, very excited.
Do you feel cold now?
Yes, it's freezing.